Okay, Taurus. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're well. So if you're a Taurus, sun, moon, or rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. What do we need to know for Taurus right now? What do we need to know for Taurus? Right now, we got the Princess of Wands, the Tower, the Three of Swords. Wow, it's like so many, like major arcana cards. Not so many, but I feel like a lot of people going through a lot right now. We have the Knight of Wands and the Queen of Wands. You guys are really thinking about things that you want to create. There's swords, there's cups, there's emotions. So we have the Prince of Wands. The Prince of Wands. You guys are passionate about something right now. There's something you guys are passionate about, but there is something in this area of what you guys want. It's not, there's a challenge here with making it happen. Things keep changing with the Tower card. So things keep changing. So you could be thinking of doing something one way and something happens and you need to think about maybe that's not the right way. Maybe you have to fix it. Or maybe you need to do it something else or go over. It's like problem solving. So there could be a lot of problem solving around something that you want to do because there's always something else you need to think about. So you could be finding like a solution about something and then there's, oh, okay, so we got this, but now we have to worry about that. So you could be thinking about this and this could be really making you guys feel disappointment. You have the Three of Swords here. So this could be related to disappointment in not being able to go on with something because there's always something in the way that you really want to accomplish here, you really want to create here. Or this could also be something else that is interfering. It could be heartbreak, sorrow. So you could be emotionally healing from something deep that recently happened for you guys here. And this can also be interfering with your ability to keep going and finding solutions to whatever keeps coming up. Or it can be related to disappointment in, you know, this thing that you want to create, depending on everyone's situation, because everyone's situation is different. So take what resonates. Now we have the Princess of Wands. So in the recent past, you were feeling really good about something, very determined, very focused, and nothing was going to get in your way. And I still feel like you guys are in that energy. And then we have the Nine of Wands. And this is still holding on to the power. Something you've been creating, working on for a long time. And you're not giving up on something here. So there's something here that I feel like most of you guys feel your power on this. Most of you Taurus understand that you guys have a lot of knowledge and abilities in whatever you guys want to create. So I feel like with the self you could be feeling good, but I feel like there could be some insecurities about outside situations that could be interfering with your goals, specific goals. We have the Death card, and this is all about welcoming change in the near future. So there could be something here that's going to be different for you guys. I'm not sure if it's related to this. I'm feeling like for most of you guys, it's related with the heartbreak. This could be healing. This could be adjusting to a new part of your life without something that maybe there was a loss here that you're grieving. This could be adjusting to doing something different here, but I feel like it's connected to this, whatever's on your mind. So if it's related to this, it's connected to whatever you're working on, your goals. So you may have to find a different way of making things happen, another solution, or this is something that you're going to heal, get used to, or a new chapter in your life without something. So that once you get used to that, then it might makes one part of the things that you have on your shoulders, on your mind, a little bit lighter, so that you can give more energy to what you want to create. Temperance. This is the card of balance. It's called art. And usually it's about cooling things down. So if you find yourself getting reactive, find practices that bring you back to yourself, centering yourself. Maybe some meditation, walking outside, things like that. Listening to some music that you like, that puts you in a good mood, so that you don't become so reactive, because I feel like there's a lot of stress with your goals, responsibilities, and decisions that you need to make, and possibly some kind of a loss or heartbreak here, so disappointment. The Six of Cups, pleasure. This is a card of nostalgia. This is a card of remembering things. There could be memories coming up around you guys from the past. You could be thinking, you know, how life was different, the good times in the past. You could also be wanting to bring this in, into your life now, some of this happiness, some of this, the way things were more playful, a little more carefree. This may be connected to this card, you know, the Three of Swords, the heartbreak, but this can also be connected to your inner child. So you could be thinking about doing things to make your inner child happy right now. Or you could just be surrounded by things that are bringing up things from the past, memories. The Queen of Swords. This is about seeing the truth. The Queen of Swords. This is about seeing things that are true and right. So you could be figuring a lot of things out right now, and it could be about people, about situations. You could be seeing things from a higher perspective that are starting to show the truths to you that maybe you were not seeing before, or maybe you're just being more aware of this. So this is really on your mind. So if you were seeing this before, you're thinking about it more than you were before. If you haven't been seeing this, you're starting to see this now. So and that can be hard. That can be hard to see, but it's like being grateful for seeing the truth, because you rather see the truth than not see the truth, right? So the Six of Discs, success. This is a future card. So you could be seeing some financial success here, goal success, wellness success, whatever it is that you're working on. You could be seeing something here, and you can also be helping someone out. This is a card also of charity, sometimes helping others out, and sometimes it's also the other way around, that somebody could be helping you guys out. So there could be something coming in, or you guys giving something, or you get something more, and then you're able to do something with that to help someone else out. I'm also getting messages here, so this could be a card of message. I don't usually get that with that card, but I want to say that just in case that resonates with anybody. Then we have the Knight of Wands and the Queen of Wands. You got all the court cards for the Wands here. So this is about passion, determination. So the Knights are the kings in this deck. You got the King and the Queen. And this is on fire. So you guys, I feel like you guys are on fire. So things could be a little challenging right now, but I think that especially with this card, because it looks like things might be good, and big change here. So getting over something. I feel like if you guys stay with what you're passionate about, that can really shift the energies around. And I feel like you guys are going to be getting a lot done with these two cards. And you have this, the Princess. So I feel like you're going to get back to this place where nothing is going to stop you guys, because you guys are very able here with the Prince of Wands. So you look at all these wand cards, look at all these colors. This is fire energy, this is creative energy, this is life force energy, and you guys are just, you guys have a lot to offer. You guys have a lot of abilities here, and I feel like you guys are feeling determined, and I feel like you guys are going to make things move, make things happen more. So good luck to you guys making your decisions here, and I wish you well. Take care.